Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full-time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. Welcome to Louisiana, home of the Atchafalaya National Wildlife Refuge that makes up part of the 1.5 million acres of hardwood swamps, lakes, and bayous within this region. We visited in the middle of winter, but don't be fooled, this area is loaded with wildlife and is typically much greener. Our main stop here was McGee's Louisiana Swamp and Airboat Tours. The Airboat Tour is more of a thrill ride, while the Swamp Tour is more of a relaxing educational voyage, which we opted for. Louisiana is also known as a sportsman paradise for its bounty of hunting and fishing, and this is how much of the state gets fed. A common retirement goal here is to find a secluded spot on the water to anchor a houseboat and live primarily off the land tax-free. The people here are resilient and have a respectable pride for their culture and way of life. Our guide said this is actually the earliest in the season he has ever seen an alligator because in winter, they go into a hibernation-like state called brumation and can slow their heartbeat to about 1 to 2 beats per minute.